Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today is just going to be a day in the life. It is about 8:30 a.m. I've been awake for already like 2 hours. I did my morning exercise and I had my morning meeting because I'm currently working from home. So the little one is still sleeping. I am going to make my coffee now, which is my usual routine after the meeting. And so yeah, so today is just gonna be a normal day in the life, working from home, what I do. I don't really go anywhere quite yet. So yeah, it's just going to be here at home. And yeah, so I'm gonna go make my coffee now. So like this is also the time that I get to watch my favorite show, which is Vampire Diaries. I know. The little one cannot watch the show, obviously, so I always take advantage when she's sleeping or she's not with me to actually watch the show. Which, mind you, this is the second time around that I'm watching the show. I know. Good morning. Good morning. Buenos días. Buenos días.
¿Estás trabajando?
Sí, estoy trabajando.
No creo que no trabajas.
No.
Yo creo que tú vas a comer. No creo que trabajamos.
No, mi amor.
No.
Dame un besito de buenos días. No, dame un beso bien.
¿Qué es eso?
¿Qué, mi amor? Bájate eso.
¿Cómo es?
Sí. ¿Quieres leche?
Sí.
Want some milk? She has these magnetic letters. She likes to play with them and call out the letters. First thing she does every morning. This is where she likes to play with the letters. What letter is that? E.
You, the Bella.
U, umbrella. The Vampire Diary time is over.
Mommy, quiero ver el sol.
Yes, I know.
Pero
So now I just like for her to watch like a few alphabet songs or number songs. Something educational.
I want that.
Yes.
Apple. Papa, anota vete ba.
Búscalo. There it is.
Tak.
I would like a donut and a coffee.
Okay, coffee. It's very food. Hi.
Hi.
Here's your donuts. And here's your coffee. And here's your donuts.
Yummy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bonaki.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. For that.
Here's your money.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Time for my protein shake. This is the one that I have, the Shakeology. I usually have this like around 11:30. It's when I get hungry. I really don't have breakfast. It's just my coffee and that's it. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I don't get hungry. So, but at this time I definitely start getting hungry, but I think it's too early for lunch. So then I have a protein shake, which I also do not consider it a meal replacement. I don't get full with this at all. It holds me down, but I don't get full. So yeah, so I'm gonna have some Shakeology, the coffee latte one. So good. Yum. Yeah. So good. The coffee latte one is definitely my favorite. The Shakeology is from Beachbody. I'm sure you guys know that, but the coffee latte one is my favorite. The chocolate one is also a good one. The vanilla one I just recently started liking, because before I only tried it with like either almond milk or water, and to me it just tastes like chalk. So but I learned how to make it. It's just a very sweet situation. She wants to be in camera.
Bye.
Hi, bye.
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 I go.
Don't mind this car right smack in the middle of my living room. But anyway, yeah, so the vanilla one is really good with the sugar-free cheesecake jello. So it's very sweet, so that's why I only do it like once in a while, maybe in the weekend when I want something sweet. But it's so good. I will do a little description of the recipe that I do down below, but I got that from Pinterest, so yeah. This is like the current program that I'm doing with Beachbody, is the MBF. I absolutely love it. It's only 30 to 35 minutes and it's challenging, so it's really, really good. And I'm on my 10th day. I have to put like my little sticker there. Give myself stickers just to see the progress. It's a 3-week program, and then it has the advanced. So after this one, I'll do the advanced one. So yes, I will link the Beachbody down below if you guys want to join Beachbody, especially now that, I don't know, with everything, I don't feel comfortable going to gyms. So working out from home is the best option. So if you guys want to give it a try, they have like a 7-day free trial. And if you like it, they have so many different programs there for so many different levels. Even if you don't like working out, they have dance. They have so many things. So I really enjoy it, and it's like $100 for the year. So all right, so we're having some lunch now. Janelle is having some rice and chicken. I decided to go with breakfast food since I don't really get hungry in the morning.
Apple.
A for apple.
Watching Cruella.
We're watching Cool Rider. What's the name of the movie? ¿Cómo se llama la película?
Yes.
Grease. We were watching Grease. She's obsessed with Grease. This is the second part, Grease 2, and she loves it, which is funny because I used to love that movie when I was little. So it's just crazy to see her like love the movie too.
And Mama worked again, so she's so weird.
I'm weird?
Yeah, because she's so weird again.
Because I'm working?
Yeah. And we going, Mama has
So yeah, so I decided to have breakfast for lunch. I'm having some oatmeal and some fruits. Since I don't really get hungry in the morning, sometimes I just crave the breakfast food at lunchtime.
Because not like this.
What are you eating? Rice and
No.
chicken?
Yeah, but not this. I don't like.
No, you don't like that?
That.
But anyway, so yeah, that's what we're doing. She fell asleep, so you know what that means. Vampire Diaries. I mean, this is why I consider myself broke, because then all I do is impulse buy. I mean, I haven't gotten it, but I really want to get this original. But she would have to use it at my mom's because all I have is a balcony. So, pretty sure it has to go attached to like a hose or something. Alright, so I just finished working. Janelle is still actually sleeping. So this is the time that I usually like to tidy up because, you know, her playing all day and stuff. So I just tidy up the place a little bit, and I'm thinking to do another like set of exercises. Like I wanted to walk outside, but it looks very gloomy. It's about to pour, I think. So just might do another in-home video, and yeah, so we'll see. For now, I'm gonna tidy up. She's still sleeping. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna leave the video up to here. It is pouring rain outside. It is so dark, which is why the lighting is horrible. I'm gonna need to wake this child up because otherwise she's not going to sleep today. So yeah. Oh, I think she's waking up. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining, and I will catch you next time. Make sure to subscribe, and that way I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.